What's up, YouTube? I want to do a review of these awesome headphones that the folks at Kiwi Ears sent to me for review. I've already been using these headphones. I just want to do an unboxing for you guys. That way you guys can see how it looks. Now, chances are, if you are watching this video, you're either watching because you're looking for this specific headphones, or maybe you're looking to support my channel, or you're just looking for something interesting. Now, once again, I've already been using this, so just doing an unboxing experience for you guys. You have a manual here that gives you a guide, and here I actually never opened this, but you have some extra foams for the cups. But let's put the box to the side. Now, it is a gaming headphones as well as the studio headphones, but obviously it's got enough quality where you can actually wear this around, on a plane or pretty much anywhere that you want to wear the headphones. Excuse the rip in my gloves. But so you have these headphones right here. You can simply flip the ears back in and put it on your head. To extend the length of the headphones, it comes like this. It is pretty easy and it's very smooth. Actually, it feels very good. The foams feels very, very good. It has some of the best feeling on any headphones that I've ever tried, and this includes the Sony XM, is it XM4, XM5? I'm not really sure which one I have, but this thing it feels super solid. And on the side you have your earphones, auxiliary cord, that way you can connect to your PC, your console, or whatever it is. If you want that wired, you have your volume up and down, and you have your track. You have your play pause button, as well as ANC. So you have your active noise cancellation modes right here. You can do pass through and all that stuff. Now, one of the things that I really love about these headphones, or why I thought it was pretty cool and why I said yes to these headphones, so it is on now, is you see this light right here? I thought this was pretty cool. So this is one of the things that I saw in their email to me that made me say, oh, absolutely, I want to try this, because I just love the way this looks. It gives that like Miami vibes, that palm tree vibes, and it's on both sides as well. I'm gonna put this on, that way you guys can see. But obviously, looks alone is not enough for you to want to buy these headphones. It's gotta sound good, right? Now, the thing though I would say is, while this light looks good, this headphones looks even better in hand. I don't feel like it looks the best on my head, particularly because it just feels very bulky. Even though it's not that heavy, it feels very bulky. But for the most part, this is something that I'm going to be using in my studio. This is not something I'm going to fly with, because when I fly, I typically carry small earphones. I like to carry the minimum. But if you're a gamer or someone like me who edits a lot of videos, this is a great option. So in here you have I actually haven't used this auxiliary because I've actually been connecting to my PC via Bluetooth. I find the latency to actually be pretty decent. So the latency is not a problem for me when I'm editing videos. It's perfectly fine. But I like to use headphones when I'm editing videos, even though I'm home, because it allows you to hear the background better. So what I really like about this, I didn't realize this is what was included, but what I really like about this is you have this auxiliary which goes in and it hooks. So it goes in and it hooks, which prevents it from, just pulling out. Obviously, you don't want to damage the cord, but if you look at it, you will see that it's got a hook on it. And I was wondering a couple of days, I was wondering what the dot is, but now I know what it is. So it just hooks and it secures itself, and then you can plug this into a USB-C port. Nowadays, everything uses USB-C. For example, my cell phone, USB-C. My Beam Pro, USB-C. So this is great because now you're not stuck in having to use the old form of wire. Now you can use a USB-C connector. This is pretty sweet. I like that. But if you want to charge it, you have a USB-C also included. I mean, chances are you probably have at least like 4 or 5 USB-Cs laying around your house. But if you don't have one, there is one included. And my guess would be this would be the auxiliary 2.3 to 2.3. So yes, this is your standard auxiliary. Well, I'm gonna put it on my head, and obviously when it comes to headphones, there is no way for you guys to actually hear the quality. But what I can tell you is I've been using them for the last couple of days. They actually do sound good. So with every tech product, there's usually a pro and con. For me, the number one pro of these headphones is the fact that it comes with this cable right here, which has a USB-C end, which allows me to plug to my PC as well as my phone. And being pro, I really like the fact that it's got this RGB colored lighting. The foams are soft. It's got active noise cancellation, and overall, it feels comfortable. The cons, the number one con for me is the bass. While the headphones itself has crystal clear audio, it lacks the bass that I want for pretty much listening to music. It is great for video editing and gaming, but it is not great for just listening to music in general, or watching a movie, or maybe trying to go to the gym. But that's not what this is for. This is more of a gaming headphones anyways. I just wish it had more bass. But besides that, you can always use your phone to tune in the bass and add a bit more bass if that's what you want. If you don't care for that, then that's not a problem. It's got a Bluetooth of 3.4, so you're not, 5.4, so you're not going to be dealing with latency as much. But also, once again, it comes with 2 different cables so that you can plug straight into your PC. It's got built-in microphone. Once again, it also has active noise cancellation. If you're looking to get something like this, please check out the link in the description. There's gonna be one. Check them out. If you like it, get one. If you don't like it, just try it at least. And if it's really not for you, then you can simply return it. But for the price, I think that these things are worth checking out.